This week's read aloud is The Bad Seed. It goes along with our book last week, The Good Egg, and it's written by the same author, Jory John, and the illustrators, Pete Oswald. Now, a bad seed is a term that means someone with bad behavior. Now, in this book, the author and illustrator decide to make the character an actual seed, which is kind of funny. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes a bad seed. But I can hear them. I have good hearing for a seed. How bad am I? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands. He'd be in trouble in the coronavirus, wouldn't he? Or my feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut in line every time. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences and I never listen. And I do lots of other bad things too. Know why? Because I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. I just can't help it. I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. But then the petals dropped and our flowers drooped. It's kind of a blur. I remember a bag. Sunflower seeds delicious. Everything went dark and then, dot, dot, dot. What's gonna happen? A giant! I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and I hollered. But I was spit out at the last possible second. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had, softened my fall. I felt okay, but something had changed in me. I'd become a different seed entirely. I'd become a bad seed. A bad seed. That's right. I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friend to nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care. It suited me. Until recently. I've made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. Sure, I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies. I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you. I say please, and I smile. I hold doors open for people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of mixed. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking. Maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, look, there goes the bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that. So if you like those two books, The Good Seed and, The Bad Seed and The Good Egg, here are two other books by the same author, Jory John. This one is called Good Night Already. It's by Jory John and Benji Davies. And we also have Come Home Already by Jory John and Benji Davies. I have sent the link in a message on Class Dojo to our Scholastic book club. If you're interested in buying any books, you might want to look on there and put in an order, and I'll have them to you before the end of the school year. Have a great day. Bye.